Today, we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began in the past and is ongoing or has recently finished. If we talk about its structure, it has a subject, a be verb have or has, be verb been, and a gerund, means fourth form of verb. With the subject I, you, we, and they, we use helping verb have been plus the gerund. With the subject he, she, and it, we use has been plus gerund. Let's learn step by step how to make and use this interesting tense. It begins with the subject of your sentence, such as I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. After that, we need an auxiliary verb. For example, if your sentence has subject I, you, we, or they, means for the first and second person I, you, we, and the third person they, we always use the be verb have. And if you have the third person singular in your sentence, such as he, she, or it, you will have to use has. After that, we use the be verb been. It's a magical word that is used to signify ongoing nature of the action or event. After that, in the last, we use the main verb with the ing form to indicate the continuous aspect. Let's discuss the uses of present perfect continuous tense. The action started in the past and is still continuing. For example, she has been studying English for 2 years. They have been living in Lahore since 2020. I have been teaching grammar all morning. Means we have started these work in the past and these work are still continue right now. Used for the action that just ended but its effect is visible. For example, number 1, he is tired because he has been running. The ground is wet because it has been raining. She looks happy because she has been practicing regularly. It often used with for that indicates the period of time and since that shows the starting point only. For example, we have been waiting for an hour. In this sentence, the period of time is mentioned. She has been working here since March. In this sentence, the only starting time of work is mentioned, but we don't know how long she will work. They have been working for the test for weeks. Have a glance on the common mistakes made by students. The first sentence is she has been waiting at bus station last night. Is this a present perfect continuous tense? No. The correct sentence is she has been waiting at bus station for 2 hours. Yes, it's correct. Number 2. They have been playing cricket for morning. It's wrong. The correct sentence will be they have been playing cricket since morning. Means the starting time is mentioned, but we don't know how long they will play cricket. The third sentence is she has been learning English yesterday. It's a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is he has been learning English since yesterday. Sometimes students got confused between the present perfect continuous tense and the present perfect tense. For this, I have prepared some examples. If we talk about the present perfect continuous tense, it focuses on the ongoing action or event that started in the past and continue in the present, or it may extend in the future time. It also emphasizes the duration and ongoing nature of the action or event. For example, Ali has been studying for hours. It shows the ongoing action. If we talk about the present perfect tense, it expresses the completed action or the events that have a connection to the present. It also emphasizes the result or outcomes of the action or event. For example, Ali has studied many lessons. It clearly shows that the action of study is completed. These words commonly used in the perfect continuous tense. Either it may be present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, or past perfect continuous. The words are for, since, all day, all week, lately, recently, how long. Let's practice yourself by creating the sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Here are some words. What you have to do? Choose a subject from the practice sheet. Select a verb. After that, combine subject, auxiliary verb have, has, been, and gerund. For example, if we talk about the first one, the subject is I, main verb is study. Now make the sentence I have been studying ancient spell for hours. Or you can also make the sentence like I have been studying ancient spell since morning. So it is your choice if you have to use for or you have to use since in the sentence. You can see a table on your screen in which I have mentioned the person, means the subject, their activities and duration of work. What you have to do? Read the table carefully and try to answer the question in present perfect continuous tense. The questions are: what has Aisha been learning? How long has Ali been preparing for the exam? Who has been running an online store since 2022? How long have the students been practicing grammar? Quiz time. Implementing present perfect continuous tense. What you have to do? Just fill the blanks with have been or has been. Number 1. The witch dash brewing a powerful potion for hours. They dash practicing their magical skills all day. He dash studying ancient spells for weeks. She dash practicing her one movement since morning. The wizards dash improving their magical abilities tirelessly. I dash making potion for years. The sorcerers dash casting powerful spells for ages. The enchanted creatures dash causing mischief in the forest all night. In this worksheet, you have to fill the blanks with have been, has been with the correct form of verb. Number 1 is she dash study English for 3 years. We dash wait for the teacher since 9 a.m. He dash work on his project all night. They dash prepare for the competition. I dash learn new grammar rules recently. Rewrite the sentences using present perfect continuous tense. Number 1 is she began learning English 2 years ago and continued to learn. They started playing cricket in the morning and are still playing. They, he began working on his channel last month and continues. Choose the correct option for the given sentences. Number 1. She has been dash English for a long time. The options are learn, learned, learning, learns. Number 2. We have been waiting dash 2 hours since, for, from, or by. Number 3. Which sentence is in present perfect continuous tense? Number 1. He is working now. He worked yesterday. He has been working all day. He works daily. Number 4. The present perfect continuous tense mainly focus on completion, habit, duration, future plan. Error detection. Identify the incorrect sentences and rewrite them correctly using present perfect continuous tense. Number 1. She has been studying English for 2 years. They have been waiting for the teacher. He has been working since morning. I have been learned grammar recently. Thank you for watching.